Hello everyone, my name is Robert Anaba. In today's presentation, I will walk you through an essential topic in cybersecurity, understanding the flow of data and how to secure it at different stages. In this presentation, we will cover the difference between data at rest, in use, and in transit, how to secure data at each stages, how security strategies depend on the data stage. Now, let's dive into what's the difference in data at rest, in use, and in transmission. Data at rest is information stored on devices like hard drives, cloud services, or backup system. It is not being actively accessed or transferred, but remains highly valuable and vulnerable to an unauthorized access. Data in use is data actively being processed or accessed by applications. For instance, when you are editing a document or accessing the database that a data is in use. Data in transmission is data moving between systems such as email, being sent through a file, being uploaded, or streaming media being delivered over a network. How will you secure your data? To protect the data, we must use security measures tailored to each stage. Securing data at rest, we will be using encryption, access controls, backups, and storage policies. To securing data in use, we will use an application security, data masking, and runtime encryption. Securing data in transmission, we will be using secured protocols, network monitoring, and key management. Now, how do these changes depend on whether data is in use, at rest, or in transmission? The adaptation of strategies and approach to securing data depends on its state at rest. The focus is on storage security and is used security measures targeted real-time access. In transmission, the goal is to secure accommodation channels. In summary, understanding the strategies of data at rest, in use, and in transmission is vital for implementing effective security measures. Encrypt data to protect at rest, secured application and access control for data in use, to protect communication channels for data in transit. By applying those strategies, you can ensure data remains secured across all stages of its life cycle. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this presentation has broadened your understanding of how data flows and security. Thank you.